what is going on with the hair today? Okay. Hey everyone, Sophia here, my great challenge. It is, technically it's Saturday the 26th, but this video is either going to be for the 27th or the 28th combined together. I'm going to Home Depot. I have supplies to get. I'm doing the Collins, because I said I wasn't going to do them because I was feeling like it was going to be too cold. Not for me, too cold for the paint. So, and then I walked the dogs and I saw guys down the street. They were painting a house, and well, at least preparing to paint a house, and they were doing all the molding around their door. And I was like, you know what? Obviously, if it's not too cold for their paint, it ain't gonna be too cold for my paint. So I am going to Home Depot and I'm going to get all the supply. I need wood putty, I need sanding blocks, I need primer, I need paint in bright white, that's exterior, I need brushes, I need the Agent Orange type stuff to get rid of all the ivy. I need cushions for the chairs. I need stain for the chairs. What else do I need? Well, I'm sure I'll find out when I get there. So I will see you in a bit. I'm going to Home Depot. Maybe I'll look at doors. How about we look at doors? Let's do that. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so I'm looking at doors. I don't like that kind of panel, but look, they have like a wood grain. This is not what I want. I want a 3/4 panel. Let's look at what they have over here. Watch me. Okay. I like this. This is nice. Oofa. Yeah, I don't think so. Okay. No. 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 That's the full panel. That's nice too. That's a 3/4 actually. I don't see. I like this one, but it would have to be a different color. Really like this one right here. It's got that Art Deco look on the panel, but that's a half panel. So the door that I like, you can pick a single, and then you can pick all the stuff you want for design. We're looking for something more like this, Art Deco design. And then these are the colors, and I'm thinking more like a mulberry type wood. This one is Autumn Harvest. That's this color. It's really nice. I like this, but I don't know if they would make it in 32, but it's expensive. I have to wait a little bit before I get a front door, you guys. $37.99. I don't know, but I do like it. Okay, so I'm going to start with the two columns that are on either side of my entryway here, and you can tell that where it's exposed between sun, rain, sleet, snow, it's really damaged. So all of this has to get sanded. And then on the other side, where the weather doesn't really affect it, it's pretty smooth. But I still sand as much as I can. And then I have the putty I gotta put on. I have holes here that need to be filled out. This is where the banister used to be. But yeah, I got my work cut out for me. So let me get my tools and we'll get started. It's raining. It's Sunday. I can't work. It's raining! It wasn't supposed to run that much. It wasn't supposed to rain that much, so I can't work outside. But to be honest, it doesn't... Nah, the columns are gonna get wet. I can't paint. Okay, so, well, that'll be the end of this video. Let me show you what I did. So, yesterday, I was able to scrape this one off, and then I completely sanded this one, but there's some areas that needed to be added, where I had to add a little bit of putty, so you can see that here and there, but otherwise it's very nicely sanded, and it's getting wet right now, so that wasn't a good idea. So here you go. I should have done that another time. But anyway, it is what it is. We got a package here. This one, I did all of the putty on it, but I did not sand it yet. And then this one, I removed all of the ivy stuff on it, scraped all of that, so it's ready to be sanded. And this is where I am with my columns. Stay tuned. You'll get to see the rest of it, I guess, next week. Hopefully we'll have better weather, because I really can't do anything now. It's raining, so you have to wait for next week, which will be probably outside of the Vlogtober, the regular video. So now I gotta figure out, because I had planned on doing this for videos for the entire rest of Vlogtober, but now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna maybe go clean the kitchen and do some more cleaning videos and cooking. So I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.